Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Batu, and today what we're going to do is we're going to work on a numerical example to solve for the equilibrium national income when we have government and taxes in the model. So what we have here is there's a graph with the aggregate expenditure function. We also have the autonomous investment and government spending right here, it's 650. And we also have our autonomous investment right here, it's 325. And there's also other information. So we know that marginal propensity to consume is 0.8 and the net tax rate is 0.15. Now what we need to do is that let's derive the consumption function. Well, remember that the consumption function looks like this when you have government. So it's going to be C equals C sub 0 plus B 1 minus small t times y. Now we know that this small b is our marginal propensity to consume. It's right here, it's 0.8. And the small t right here is 0.15. So we're good with these two. But how do we find C sub 0? Okay, we know that this 1,000 right here, if you remember from the previous video, this 1,000 right here, this is the sum of C sub 0, I sub 0, and G sub 0. Okay? Now, we know what the sum of I sub 0 and G sub 0 is, which is 650. So all we need to do is just to find the difference. So here's how we do it. So we know that C plus I plus G equals to 1,000. And we know that these two is equal to 650. This two. And equals to 1,000. Therefore, C sub 0 is 1,000 minus 650. C sub 0 is 350. Therefore, our aggregate consumption function can be written as follows. C equals to 350 plus 0.8 times 1 minus 0.15 y, or C equals 350 plus, so 1 minus 0.15 times 0.8, you have 0.68 y. And there you have it. So we have our consumption function. So in the next part of this video, what we're going to do is we're going to solve for the equilibrium national income. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to solve for equilibrium national income. Well, we know previously that our aggregate consumption function looks like this, 350 plus 0.68 y. So let's first write the AE function. So AE equals to C plus I plus G. Well, we know what C is. It's right here. So AE is equal to 350 plus 0.68 y plus 650. So AE is simply 1,000 plus 0.68 y. And we know in equilibrium that y equals AE. So we just sub this condition here. So we have y equals 1,000 plus 0.68 y. Y minus 0.68 y equals 1,000. So 1 minus 0.68 is 0.32. And y star is simply equal to 1,000 divided by 0.32, 3,125. So the equilibrium value for y is 3,125. Similarly here, this is 3,125. And also, the multiplier is the following. So the multiplier looks like this. So it's going to be 1 over 1 over 1 minus b times 1 minus t. Okay? Well, we know what this is. This is equal to 0.32. So this is equal to 1 over 0.32. And we get 3.125. Okay? So there you have it. This is the equilibrium national income Y star, and we have the value of the multiplier. Using the information that we have here in the graph and just the marginal propensity to consume and the net tax rate. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.